Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate the RAM Plus feature on the Samsung Galaxy M06 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type RAM Plus and hit Enter. This will filter the results to show you all settings related to RAM Plus, including other options like charging sounds and notification settings. Step 4. After performing the search, find the RAM Plus option. Tap on it to open the RAM Plus settings menu. If prompted, tap again to confirm your choice and open up the full RAM Plus options. Step 5. For the last and most important step, you'll see different RAM options available. Usually, these will be 2 GB, 4 GB, 6 GB, and 8 GB of virtual RAM. Choose the amount of virtual RAM you want to add, depending on how much extra performance you need. After selecting your preferred option, tap Restart, and your phone will automatically restart. Once your phone reboots, the RAM Plus feature will be activated, and you'll experience smoother, faster performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.